Hello and welcome everyone to this video. This video is about the AnyConfess app that we developed as a hack in the Cicada 3301 reinvented hackathon. Our team name is Gulab Jamun. Team members are Hemang Nagrani and Fenil Kamdar, that is myself. Now let's start with the problem statement. The problem statement is quite simple. Safe and secure engagement in the community to promote clear speech and prohibiting abusive or toxic words. Now, as the use of social media is increasing day by day, more and more people express their views or opinions on different social media platforms. Now, these people have enough freedom of speech to communicate and exchange their ideas without any barrier. While this freedom of speech can help in transparency, sometimes speech used to communicate these ideas can be hurtful, or it can also sometimes offend a certain section of society. Now, this leads to a decrease in user experience for all other users available on the platform. As a solution to this, we suggest removing all posts that contain abusive or toxic words. To demonstrate this application, we created a confession app where users can post their confessions with utmost anonymity. We don't store user data either locally or on any cloud storage. The the mechanism is the mechanism is such that we send the post to the backend server. This backend server scans the post for any abusive or toxic words. If the server finds any abusive or toxic words in the post, then it removes the post from the app, right? Also, we have implemented a comment feature. Users can comment on the confessions of other people, but these comments are also scanned in the backend server so that comments can also be verified for toxicity. Now talking about the scalability, our current server is deployed on HeroQ. It uses a single Docker container. This single Docker container is quite sufficient for a certain limited number of users. But when number of users will increase, to increase this scalability, we will use multiple Docker containers. Due to this, multiple posts will be scanned in the server at a specific point of time, thus reducing bottleneck and increasing performance. Now talking about the tech stack, our front-end Android app is written in Java. The backend server uses TensorFlow.js for checking toxicity of words through ML algorithm. It also uses Node.js and Express.js. We have used libraries like Retrofit, Algolia and Material UI. Now I will show some screenshots of our front-end Android app. So left side is the splash screen which greets the user on the app startup. The photo on the right hand side shows a disclaimer that we don't store any of the user data locally or on cloud. Okay, yeah. Now this photo in the left hand side shows the confessions. This is the home page of our app. The plus button can be used to post any confessions. Also, we have implemented a search bar, as you can see on the right hand side, where users can search confessions using hashtags. Okay. Now the left side shows a confession posting activity where user can put a 512 character confession along with hashtags. Their right hand side shows the comment section of any confession. Users can also post a comment from this activity. Thank you.